Hi guys. So we are going for a nature walk. There's my dad's businesses back there. Wait, where are they? Over there somewhere. So we are walking because there's a nature walk right behind the shops, and I'll show you what we're doing. Sis, I'm gonna try to not get you in it since you don't want to, but you might be in it. Just so you know, because you're walking into the video now. So right behind our dad's shop is Berg Park. So a lot of the time deer and stuff go to my dad's shop or walk up that way. Aliyah, don't get your shoes dirty. Yeah? You're standing over on this side, so come on, let's keep walking.
Yeah. Because someone made that gate bigger.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It wasn't that big before?
No. It was smaller.
Hand?
Wait. After hand.
Oh, fine. Don't hold Mom's hand. Wow, I didn't realize it was this close. Because the bench is right here.
We're going farther.
See if we can walk up to the river. Which way do you guys want to go? That's the playground. That's the other way.
Go this way.
The playground?
Yep. That's how you get it.
Yeah?
Here.
I hear geese.
Geese. Look, that's the playground.
Did you get my picture that I sent?
Which picture? Ooh, what's that over there?
Where?
Oh, a cat.
Oh.
A cat.
It's a skunk.
Well, that's what I was thinking.
The pictures I sent this morning
Which ones?
in the group chat.
Come on, guys, let's go to the playground.
When Mom said good job. It's official.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I got my paperwork.
Bless you.
We made so far.
Yeah.
This is so far.
So, which I haven't said anything to you guys. I know everybody's been asking what I've been talking about. But I just got a promotion at work. Now I can officially talk about it because I have my paperwork. So now I'll start training in about a week and a half. So I will be officially a dispatcher. So I'm super excited.
We'll go walk on the bridge.
Right now I am a call taker, so I deal mostly with the public for now, but I will be more so doing the dispatching instead.
Oh, this light's so yucky.
I'll flip it back over so you guys can see,
You don't want to get sick. Yeah.
especially right now, Aliyah.
There's way too many germs on it. Yeah.
But anyways, that was my good news. I'm super excited, super nervous. Is there any water? Hardly. What? Look, baby, the geese are giving themselves baths.
That's funny. Playground, guys.
Yeah.
We should have came and walked this yesterday.
Stay right there.
Try to run it. Are you gonna go over the bridge? Come on.
Wait, I could do
Look at the ducks down there, baby.
Fitted your hair.
Gross, what is it? Ah.
That's funny. All that dirty water is go dirty them up, huh?
Mm-hmm. Hey, he's running on the water.
Yeah.
This is way better than Tingley Beach, huh? This is actually not, well, I mean, I guess half of it's man-made, huh? The park, in a way. A whole family?
Yep.
There's a bunch out there. They just kind of blend in. I cannot wait to go fishing this year. You need to come down and go fishing with us again. Look, let her see them right here. Look at that white duck. Lily, it's our duck from when we were little.
Yeah. Maybe there's more. Guys.
You want to go stand up in the middle of it?
No.
Do you like them, baby?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I want that white duck.
You want the white duck? Mom was thinking about getting you some duckies this year.
Is that pigeon?
Yep.
Pigeons don't go in water.
Phew. Thank you. No, he's throwing food out to them to feed them.
We don't have any food.
Not us, this guy over here.
Ask him the corn that you put over here that can eat the corn out. Ready?
No.
Yeah. Watch, let's go.
He's already walking up. We're walking this way?
Let's see it.
My arm hurts. My arm freaking hurts.
I don't want to get chased by him.
They're gonna get mad at each
I know,
other.
they're
Look, they're all
coming.
coming towards us.
Oh, geez. Oh, no. Let's go.
Oh my gosh. They're gonna start chasing me. Come here. Come on. Do they? Let's see. Come here. Look, baby, there's your white ducky. Ow, Lily. Oh, yes. Come here, baby. Come look at him. That one was going to bite its butt. Look, baby. There's a what? A cat. What, baby? What? Only the big ones?
Yeah, they fight.
Come here. Come here. I won't let them bite you. Come on. Hurry, come on. So this is what our day consists of before heading home. Come here.
There's the white goose.
It's not a goose, it's a duck.
Oh, duck.
These ones are geese. The bigger ones.
Yeah. And they bite.
Yep.
And they bite. They're good coming to us.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
See, they're going away now. Did you see that one chasing that other one?
No.
No. Ugh.
I didn't see.
It's okay. Don't yell, because then that's when they're going to attack. See, it's okay. You're scared of a goose whenever you let a parrot eat out of your mouth. Look at it. It's right here with us, huh?
Yeah. He wants to come with us.
Yeah. See, it's okay.
It looks so cute. That duck.
Which one? This one in front of me?
She means
Oh.
that one.
That one's a big old one?
Yeah.
Look at this guy creeping up. It does. I'm kicking it. Okay,
Don't, it will bite you.
let's go back with Auntie. Well, don't run, because then it will chase you. Look, it's still following.
Yeah, it's gonna.
Yep, it's good.
Can I give you a stick? Will you come to my stick?
There goes the white one.
Okay, where are we going now?
See? The white duck?
Are we going back to the shop?
No. No. I want to.
Well, let's go see it from up there. Hey,
Careful. Hey, come here.
We're not going back to the shop if I slide.
no, we are going back to the shop, baby. We have to head home.
No.
I wanted to get home before Dad gets off work.
No.
Look, they have like their own little swimming pool right there.
Wait.
Watch. Come here.
Where's the white duck?
It's over there by the bench. Ooh, oh, I thought that goose right there was looking straight up here. See, look at their little kiddie pool, Lily, for the ones that don't know how to swim. They have a little kiddie pool.
Hey, no, don't run off.
No. We've had this talk before, Aliyah. How cute. Did you have fun coming and seeing all the ducks? Huh? Yeah? Look at their feet in the water. Did you see them?
Yeah. That's so funny. Where's the duck?
That one's laughing out there.
That one way over there?
Yeah.
Way over there.
How? And it's swimming back?
Okay,
Does the
let's
big
go.
ones go into the water?
Yeah.
Oh,
They were giving themselves baths earlier. Look Aliyah, that one's hiding behind that rock. Right there. I wonder why. It's just hanging out by itself.
Because sometimes it's nice just to be a little.
Hey, don't take off running.
Yay!
How are you? Good, and you? Good. Lunch? Yeah. Have a good day. You too. We'll see you.
You stay right here on this side of the wall, though. What?
What?
What are you laughing at?
You laughing at the rock or what?
Come on.
You're such a goober.
Look, that's weird how like some are green, their heads, and then that one's like a dark blue.
You need to wash your hands, baby girl.
Yes, let's go back to the shop so you can wash your hands.
Hey.
Aliyah.
Aliyah and I.
Thank you.
Oh.
Stay with us, please. My allergies have been bothering me so bad since I got here.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I know I can feel them right now, like starting to itch.
Yeah. Yesterday I had to get medicine from Dad's desk.
Mm-hmm.
What, baby?
Our puppy?
Huh?
A leash?
Yeah.
Oh. One that Mom totally forgot to put on Buster yesterday.
I don't know, what makes you think you could just...
Well, I figured he'd be a good dog and go straight inside.
Yeah, right.
I didn't know he likes to take off.
Oh, yeah.
They're coming to the shop.
How'd you get him back?
He was at Nick and Annette's.
And how'd you get him, though?
I just walked up to him because he was just sniffing around and he stood right there. He tried taking off, but I had my hand in his collar.
You're lucky he didn't drag you.
I thought he was going to. It was stupid, though.
Usually he takes off forever, and the only way you can get him back is if you start up Dad's truck.
That's what Eddie was saying. He's like, he only comes back when he hears Dad's truck. And I was like, well, Dad's not coming home for a while because we're all supposed to go and eat. So I was like, crap.
Recording.
Yeah.
That's boring.
No, they're seeing what we're doing. Which way did we come from? Wasn't it right here? 'Cause
Should
that
just be right
bench?
here.
I think it was right here. No. I don't know where we are. Come this way. The shop is more this way, I think. Oh, it's that bench that I saw. So we walk right there. That's cool. I didn't know that the shop was this close to it. I thought it was a little bit further.
Maybe it's this one?
Yeah.
Yes, this one. Be careful so that the branches don't scratch you or stab you. Oh my gosh, I pulled out a bush in the backyard a while back, like before it got cold. And I was digging out the root of it and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it was huge and it was heavy, so I went and I like picked it up, but it was too heavy and it like swung and hit me in the shin. Oh, it hurt so bad. I think I still have a scar from it because it made me bleed. Yes. Hurry, come on.
Wait, I was going to
Then go that way. Oh, my shoes are getting all dirty. Aliyah, holy cow, yours are super dirty.
I told you.
I'm gonna have to throw them in the washer again. Hurry, go.
I told you, Mom.
Well, when we get home, I'll throw them in the washer. Go. Hurry, hurry, hurry. And there is Papa's shops. Go. So, these two buildings are my dad's. He works on cars. So, we've had this one for quite a while. This building he just bought. So now we own the whole property here. Anyways, that was our little adventure for the day. We're gonna start heading home because Dave David is going to be getting off work in a few hours, and I really wanted to get home before he got home, which I swear it never works out that way because I'm sure we're still going to have to go see my grandma before we leave. But anyways, hope you guys had fun going on our walk with us. I told you what my news was that I was holding out on, so I get to start training soon, but I'm very excited. But I'll see you guys all later.